Brad Micklin. I'm the attorney and managing member of the Micklin Law Group, which is a law firm concentrated in men's and fathers' rights in divorce, custody, and family law issues, with offices in Nutley and Montclair, New Jersey. Today's video is my daily tip. I try to do almost every day, where I try to impart a small piece of information on an issue that I see either my clients confront often or that's just very prevalent in divorce and family law cases. Today is about responding to emotion, and all I'm going to talk about today, my tip, because they're very short, is the time that you're supposed to respond by, so you have a sense of the scheduling. So when a person files a motion, and I'm going on the assumption that you're responding to a motion, because if you're filing one, you don't necessarily need to worry about the timing unless there's a cross motion, which we'll get to. So when somebody files a motion, it's supposed to be scheduled on the 25th day following the date that the court gets it on the next available Friday morning. So first, you got to check the date on the notice of motion, but I would recommend that you also call the court to confirm it, not only because sometimes people pick the wrong day, sometimes the court schedules it for a different motion day. So you want to get the motion date from the court, send a letter confirming the date they told you so that it's confirmed in writing. Then from that day, if there's a response you're going to file, you have to file it within 15 days of the return date, which should leave you on a Thursday, unless for some reason the motion's not on a Friday. The 15 days before is a Thursday. Now remember, you're going from the date that the court tells you it's scheduled, not the date that's on the paper that you received when it was originally filed, because it could be different. Now, when you file on the 15th day before the return date, or if you happen to be the original filing, and there's a cross motion filed on that 15th day, there's also going to be, or there can be, a reply to the cross motion. So first the motion goes in, that's scheduled 25 days after it's filed. The cross motion, or the response, is 15 days from that return date on a Thursday. If you're going to reply to the cross motion, that is 8 days before the return date of the original application. Again, should be on a Thursday. Now, these dates are all for divorce motions under what's called the FM docket number, family matrimonial. If you're in a non-divorce case, custody, support, domestic violence, DCPP cases, anything that's not a divorce case, there actually is no requirement to respond. Now, you can either choose to respond if you want, or you don't need to, but if you're going to, there's no time to do so. So you sometimes want to look tactically to whether or not you even need to. I hope this tip helps you. If it does, please give it a like and share it so that other people get to see it. I will be back on Monday. I don't know what time yet, usually 4 o'clock, but I don't have my calendar in front of me. If there's anything you'd like me to discuss for that tip, feel free to email me at brad@micklinlawgroup.com. That's MICKLIN. Thanks, and have a great weekend.